I probably should have gotten my crap together before I started filming this, but when do I ever have my crap together? I'm a professional. Literally slept for 3.5 hours last night, and I worked for 8 hours, and I've been home for like 2 already, so that's the kind of video this is gonna be. Hello! I am doing an eyebrow tutorial today because apparently y'all want to know how I do my eyebrows. Spoiler alert, I don't have any, so I'm not gonna do like shaving them tutorial. Pause, I have a zip. My eyebrows change shape like every 6 months. So this is just like a product and like basic tutorial, but trust me, they will not look like this guaranteed by like March. This is not gonna be a very long video, but you're getting 2 videos next week, so that hopefully will make up for it. Also, I just took a very refreshing shower, so your boy is clean. Alright, so I use the KVD SUPERBROW. It is fabulous, okay? 24 hours, that is a fact. That is a fact. Okay, I use the shade Graphite because it's almost black. It's just a pomade, you know, it's nice. I used to use the e.l.f. like cream eyeliner. I shit you not. That shit works fabulously and it's like $2. But this stays on for like 30 days if you're like me and you never wash your face. First, what we're gonna do is get out the e.l.f. Duo Brow brush, angle brush on one side, spoolie on the other. And I brush my brows straight up because I like to scare children. I'm gonna do a little bit of a trim. This is literally a cuticle scissor. I haven't used it for that. I've had it for like 8 years. And I've literally never used it for what it's for. And you just do a little snip. This is why I do them straight up. Then I have a line to follow. And it's easier to make them smooth because all my hair is way too thick to function. So you just do a little snip. Literally just the very, very tips. Because we're trying to look scary in a good way. Not like a wild caveman. Take the brush, and I follow the shape of my actual eyebrow until about halfway, and I'm just like, hey, fuck it. And I don't know what direction it's gonna go today. I've been doing a slightly more natural shape lately. But honestly, like, I don't have eyebrows. They're not gonna be natural. It's fine. I have more than I used to because they finally grew back after plucking them for 7 years. If you want to change your eyebrow shape, I highly recommend shaving them because they'll grow back faster. Don't be like us dumb craps in, what, 2008 that had like a single file line of hair. But yeah, I make the arch start farther out than where my natural arch does because, again, the goal here is to scare children. And then I make the tail really long. Really long. My actual hair does not grow that far. Let's do a comparison of my eyebrows in like 2016. You can see that's my actual eyebrow just with like more darkness added to it. And as you can see, the tail is very short. That was when they finally grew back. And then 2 years later, not even. Yeah, like 2 years later, I was like, screw it, and I shaved them off. The goal here is to not use too much product because this stuff is kind of thick. You don't want to have glomps. Glomps? What does that even mean? Globs in your eyebrows. I know I'm doing this really crappily, but fear not. The important part is coming soon. Nice thing about this is it's almost like a cream to matte because it dries. Since when does a frickin' pomade dry? And these will stay on your face forever. Okay. Now we're gonna take, people literally thought I had my eyebrows tattooed. You're gonna take the spoolie. As you can see, I did not fill in the front of my eyebrows. That's what this guy's for. Because we want that sick fade, boy. But you have to do it fast because it does dry. I only did like the first part of and again, I brush straight up. It looks better in my opinion. I don't like people who do this. That looks stupid. Whatever, it's your life, I guess, but like, you look dumb. Please don't do that in my house. Now, we have a nice, oh, never mind, no we don't. Trial and error, kids, trial and error. Now we have a nice faded brow. Now here's the important part. You gotta get that sharp line underneath, right? And everybody and their frickin' mom uses concealer, but that's too thick. I don't like it. I don't like that it's bright, because then my eyebrows look like they were outlined with a frickin' white crayon. So I use the foundation. This is Fenty Beauty Profiltr in 230, because I'm a light-skinned hoe. And I take the e.l.f. What the hell is this? Smudge brush. Because I destroyed my concealer. Oh wait, I have a concealer brush. And I like this one better anyway. I also have a flat brush in my purse for touch-ups. And you go underneath and clean it up. I'm gonna do, this is probably gonna be the worst close-up ever. You just, can you even see that? The key is not to get too much because you don't want it to like have a ridge. So I like spread it down first because I also use this as my eyeshadow primer. And just get a nice sharp line. I don't know why I always do this one first. I just do, I guess. And then it's 10 times harder to copy to the other side because I am left-handed. You blend it down. Make sure you don't have any glomps. Oof, I fucked up. Okay. I can fix that. It's fine. It's fine. Pow. Fixed. Okay. Yeah. And then I take my, what the hell is this? Stipple brush to blend it even more on the bottom. Get a nice base for your eyeshadow out of this too. Boom. Look how much sharper that is. Yeah. Other side. Oh my god, they're actually the same fucking shape today. Then you do the top too, because honestly, if you don't, your foundation is gonna get in your eyebrow and you will have weird spots on it. But like, the top is always sharper, so it doesn't really matter to like clean it up. It's just like, you're gonna be putting foundation on your forehead, presumably, so don't wanna screw up your eyebrows from doing that. I used to do my eyebrows after my foundation. And I used to not line them. Like, who was she? What was she thinking? Pause. Get that nice sharp tail. That's what really makes it look fake, but like, it looks cool. I bring it up pretty high because again, I don't want to mess up my eyebrows. Blend. Other side. How's the video 13 minutes long? I saw like 4 of them on my eyebrows. Oh, that's it. You know what? Rose, hurry. She's canceled. My brush is breaking. That's okay, that's work. Blend. And voila! You have super fancy, super artificial eyebrows. Sharp enough to kill a man. Let's get a nice close-up. Alright, I'm gonna do the rest of my face and I will be back. Man, stop that. I just recorded like half my outro and then realized it had stopped filming. Thanks for watching, guys. All the products will be linked in the description, so check the description if you want to copy exactly how I do my eyebrows. This is pretty much my everyday makeup look, so if you want to see a tutorial for that, I can do that too. So if you want a tutorial for that, let me know in the comments. Also, check the description for all my social medias and the link to purchase the books I am featured in. And I will see y'all next week with a much longer video.